Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your serial number for your HomePod mini using the Home app on your iPhone and on where it's located on your device. So to do this on your iPhone, you need to get the Home app, then open it, then choose the device you want to check the serial number for. I have only one, so I'm going to pick that one, and then scroll down to the bottom of the site like that. And from here you can see serial number right here. And to check it on your device, you need to just put it upside down, and it's basically located right here. Serial number. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.